Hey guys, welcome back to Growth Stock Central. The market's actually about to open, but before it does, I want to make a quick little video about Nano Dimension, ticker symbol NNDM. There's a few things to talk about with this stock. First of all, they had an amazing day yesterday. They went up over 18%. As you can see, they opened at around $7, and by the time the market closed, they're all the way up to the nice 8.41. So as you can see, that's gains of almost 19% in a single day. But of course, it's not their only achievement. NNDM was up over 100% last month. If you check their 6 months history, you can see that just back in November, they had a massive run over here. And only 2 months ago, in September 22, they're actually at the 1.51 USD range, which means in the past 2 months, from September 22 to December 22, they've actually risen by 456%, which is incredible. You're probably wondering where this run-up came from. It seems like they were just a stagnant stock, just plateauing at the low mark, and then suddenly they explode. So what happened? Well, on November 12th, they gave an earnings report, but it was actually below analyst expectations. This was the result of some logistics challenges. It was actually because of certain public health issues. But despite missing their expectations from analysts, they actually had the breakout due to the fact that they gave a positive outlook on their company. Now, if you've heard of ARK Invest, run by Cathie Wood, they hold $28 million worth of shares. This firm has over $6.6 billion in assets under management, so $28 million isn't exactly a lot of money for them. It's actually less than 1% of their total assets. That being said, they've been buying shares consistently every single week. What does this tell us? Well, it tells us that it's one of those disruptive companies that they're looking for. Cathie Wood is the owner of the firm. She founded it. She's the CEO. She's the same person who called Tesla and predicted the rally before it even happened. And she's the same investor who was saying Bitcoin will hit $500,000 due to its limited supply. Now, what does Nano Dimensions actually do? Well, they provide 3D printed machines that companies can use to manufacture semiconductors. These machines are used in a process known as additive manufacturing. Rapid growth in the semiconductor space has really pushed the stock forward in recent months. You've seen a lot of hype with AMD, with Intel, but you haven't seen enough hype with Nano Dimensions, which is a big reason why it could actually blow up in the months to come, even more than it already has. In fact, their market cap is only at $1 billion right now, so they have a lot of room to grow and a lot of room to run. When you combine their positive outlook in the earnings report with the rapid growth in the semiconductor space, it wouldn't be surprising why a lot of analysts are bullish on this stock. That being said, there are a few things you have to consider before investing in the stock. First of all, it's a pretty small cap stock, so it can be a bit volatile. It's a bit speculative. That being said, the bullish sentiment is pretty well justified. It has a lot of potential. It's growing in a very promising space, and it's been invested in by some of the greatest firms like ARK Invest of Cathie Wood. That being said, let me know what you think in the comments below. As always, I'm not a financial advisor, so make sure to do your own homework before you invest. And like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. That's all for now. Thanks so much for watching. As always, I'm Jake.